Welcome to the True North Concepts Universal Mount install video. The Universal Mount is designed to allow for a wide array of popular holsters to fit our proven modular holster adapter system. For the purpose of this video, we will be installing the Safariland QLS adapter onto the Universal Mount set for the MHA system. You will need to use hardware from both the yellow and white bag, as well as your original hardware from Safariland. Please note that a Universal Mount is not required to mount a QLS to the MHA itself. However, by using a universal mount, it allows one to have more space between the two holster components. It is recommended to install the binding post between the mount and the adapter while apart. Ensure that all mounting points are secured before attaching to the MHA system. Use medium thread locker once you have established your install positioning and test to confirm it is secure. Please refer to the website for more photos. Questions, comments, concerns, please contact info@truenorth-usa.com. Thank you for choosing True North Concepts.